Listen to me carefully. We learned about the addition in the last lessons and we learned about the property of addition also. What was the property of addition we learned in the last class? That whenever we add 0 in any number, so we will get the same number. The answer doesn't change. If I add 10 apples plus 0 apples, that means I have 10 apples. If I have 21 chocolates plus 0 chocolates, so I have 25 chocolates. So whenever I add 0 in any number, the number doesn't change. Okay. The second property I learned that if I rearrange the number order in addition, so the answer doesn't change. I give you the example: 1 plus 2 is also 3, and 2 plus 1 also 3. 2 plus 3 also 5, and 3 plus 2 also 5. And we did some practice for that. Today we are going to start subtraction, and our first topic is subtracting multiples of 10. For subtracting multiples of 10, you can see on the book on page number 36. The book giving you example that Wrinkle bought 56 beads. She used 30 beads to make a necklace. How many beads does Wrinkle have left? Okay, so Wrinkle was actually having 56 beads and she used 30 beads to make a necklace. And after making a necklace, 30 beads are used. How many are left, they want to ask. So for subtracting by multiples of 10, you should have a number line of 10. So you can check here number line. This is number line 16, 26, 36, 56, 66, and 76. This number line is having a difference of 10. So we are on 56. We want to check for 30. We use 30 beads. She used 30 beads. So I'll go 3 times back. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 26 beads left. Or I have one more way to do it. What I can do, like in the addition, this is 56. If you see, there are 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are 5 tens and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So this diagram is representing 56. How many tens are there? 5 tens. How many ones are there? 6. So there are 6 ones. For tens, for ones, how much I need to subtract? 0. So I will not cut any one of them because I need to cut 0. That means I don't need to cut anything here. I don't need to minus anything. 6 minus 0 gives you 6. But for tens, there were 5, but I need to cut out 10. I need to get 3 out of 5. So I will cut 3 tens here. 1, I'll do it with this for you. 1, 2, and 3. So 3 are cut. How many tens are remaining now? 1 and 2. Only 2 tens. 6 we write as it is. When we minus 6, 0 ones from 6 ones, we get 6 ones. And when we subtract 3 tens from 5 tens, we get 2 tens. So the answer is now 26. Again, I repeat. In order to minus 30 from 56, you can check out this figure, right? I have 6 ones here in 56 and I have 5 tens here. I need to minus 0 ones from 6 ones, so I will not cut any one of them. But I need to minus 3 tens from 5 tens, so I will cut 3 tens. After cutting this, I will check how many are left. So there are 2 left. So that's why 26. Okay. For one more example, come to the page, next page, 37. Next page. This is page number 37. Here, Bubble has picked 45 seashells. Bubble has picked 45 seashells and he gave 24 seashells to Twinkle. How many seashells does Bubble have left? So Bubble was having 45 and he gave 24 to Twinkle. So if you want to find out how many seashells does Bubble have right now or how many seashells does Bubble have left, so you need to minus 24 from 45. So this is the diagram. This is the chart that is showing 45. How many tens in 45? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. How many ones? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So first I will subtract ones. Okay. I will subtract ones. I will get 4 out of 5. So there are 5 ones. I will cut how many? 4, because I need to. So I will cross out 4. I will cross 4. Check here. I will cross 4 here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. When I cross 4, how many ones are left? Only one is left. Only one is left. For the tens, how many tens were there? 4. And how many I need to minus? 2. So I will cut 1 and 2. How many tens are left? 1 and 2. So you can see here, I write 5 out of 4, 1, and 2 out of 4, 1. So it is now 21. So we can say that bubble has 21 seashells left. Okay. Now I'm going to unmute all of you. Yes. Are you getting subtraction? Yes.
Hello, sir.
Okay.
Sir. Hello, sir.
Yes.
Number 60.
I give you one more method to minus. Okay. What you can do, let's suppose you want to minus 45. If you don't have this picture, obviously you are not going to have picture all the time for the tens numbers. If you want to minus, first, whenever you are subtracting, you always need to write the total number first. Like bubble is having 45 seashells in total, so I will write 45 first, then I will write 24. And remember to write ones on the ones place. Like in 45, 5 is on the ones place and 4 is on the tens place, and also tens is on the tens place. I write 45, 4 tens, 5 ones, 24, 2 tens, 4 ones, and then I subtract. What you can do, one more thing here, you can do one more thing like we did in addition. Let's suppose you want to check, you don't have this picture, you want to check how many number will be left when you get 4 out of 5. So what is the first number? 5. You will draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes, you draw 5 lines here. After drawing 5 lines, how many you need to minus? You need to minus 4. You need to minus 4. So you will cut down 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many is left now? Only 1. Okay, I can do it with a different marker for you. So you will 1, 2, 3, and 4. So how many remaining? Only 1. So you will write 1 here. Same for the tens, you will draw first 4 lines. For the tens, you will draw first 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many you need to minus? 2. So I will cut out 2. I will cut out 2. 1, 2. How many tens are left? Only 2. So I will write 2. In that way, you can also do it. Okay. Now, we are going to have the last example, then we will practice some questions. In the last example, Jimbo was having Jimbo read 125 pages of a storybook in a day, and the storybook has total 268 pages. So how many more pages does she need to read the complete book in one day? So she's actually reading 125 and she's having total 268 pages. So I will write 268 first and then I will minus 125. Keep remembering, I should take care that I will write the number on their places. Like 2 is on 100, 6 is on tens, 8 is on ones. Yeah. 1 is on 100, 2 is on tens, and 5 is on ones. Now 8 ones and 5 ones. So I will draw 8 lines first. What you will do here, you will draw 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And how many you need to cut? 5. You need to minus 5, so you will cut down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 are cut now. How many are remaining? I'll count 1, 2, and 3. So I'll write 3. Okay. Same for the next. The next is saying tens, 6 tens. Okay. 6 tens minus 2 ones. So I will draw 6 tens first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These are 6 tens, and we need to minus only 2. So cut only 2. Cut down 2. So this is 1 and this is 2. How many are left now? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are left. So we will write here 4 like this. Okay. And for 2 out of 1, you will write 1. In that way, you have to complete. Now, for practicing, I am going to add one more page for you, and you have to tell by yourself. This is the practice worksheet. Don't talk too much in the chat box. Okay. All right. I'm going to ask the question. I want to subtract 200 from 500. So what should I do first? I will come from the Ashraf. Ashraf, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, Ashraf. I want to minus 500 out 200 out of 500. Tell me the answer. 0 out of 0? Yes.
0.
0. These are the hundreds. Okay. You can check out from the figure also. I don't need to cut anything from tens and ones because they don't have anything. So 0. Again 0 out of 0? 0.
0.
And 5 minus 2? 5 minus 2?
2.
For 5 minus 2, I will cut this. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
3.
I will cut 1,
3.
2.
3.
Yes, I will cut 1 and 2. Check now how many are there. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is
3.
300. Very good.
3.
300. I'll write this answer. It is 300. Now, first I need to unmute all of you. Then I will ask one by one questions. Yes, guys, I want to subtract 300 from 600 now. I want to subtract 300 from 600.
300 and 600. There, big what?
300 minus 600.
Tell Baba. Big what?
This is not from the book. This is not from the book.
What page?
This is just for practice. This is not from the book. You have to practice. That's just for practice so that these are the easy questions. Then we'll go to the book questions. Okay. This is just for practice. These are not from the book. Okay. Muhammad Al-Harbi. Now, I will take one more student to answer because you are making too much noise. Yes, Mandar. Manthar. Manthar, can you hear me? Manthar, can you hear me? Manthar, can you hear me? Muhammad Hatham. Muhammad Hatham. Muhammad Asad. Muhammad Asad.
Yes.
Yes, Muhammad Asad. I want to subtract 300 from 600. 0 out of 0 will give me what?
0 of 0.
Yes, because on the ones place you can see there is no one, nothing. So I cannot get anything from out of it. And I don't need to. 0, 0, tens, also 0 out of 0, nothing. For 100, there are 6. I need to minus 3. What will be the answer? 3 out of 6.
I have a 6.
3. If I minus 3 from 6, what result I will get? For that, if you don't know, you can draw the lines. But here I have pictures of 100. These are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need to minus 3, so I will cut 3. 1, 2, and 3. Now check, how many are left? Count with me. 1.
1,
Yes. 2.
2,
And
and
3.
3.
How many hundreds are left now? 3.
Hundreds.
These are
3.
hundreds, right? These are 3. So only 3 hundreds are left. This is the answer. 300. Okay. Now for the next question. This is something different. I'll take one more participant to answer it. Suleiman. Suleiman, can you hear me? Yes, Suleiman, can you hear me? Suleiman, can you hear me? Umar Shahir, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, Umar. I want to minus 400 from 562. So I should minus from the ones first. These are the hundreds, these are the tens, and these are the ones. So there are 2 ones and I need to minus 0. What will be the answer?
2.
2 out of 0, exactly. The answer will be 2 because these are only 2 ones and I don't need to minus, I don't need to cut anyone because it's 0. Very good. So I will write 2 out of 0, 0. Okay. Now I'll take one more participant to answer the second one. Muhammad Shamis. Muhammad Shamis, can you hear me? Yes, Muhammad Shamis, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Muhammad. He told me that 0 out of 2 will be 0. 2, sorry. No, it will be not be 0, it will be 2. Because there are 2 ones, if we did not minus anything, so they will remain same. Now, tell me, if I minus 0 from 6, what I get? These are 6 tens. Exactly, I will get 6. Because I don't need to cut anything. If I don't need to cut anything, so I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 6. Very good. Now, For the hundreds, I will take one more participant for the hundreds. For minus subtracting 100, I will take Mashari. Can you hear me? Mashari, can you hear me? You cannot hear me. Who is coming with is Asar?
Sir,
Yes.
I write this in the notebook.
Don't need to write it in the notebook. We are just practicing here, okay? Asar. Asar, can you hear me? Asar, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Now tell me please, 4 out of 5 is equals to?
No.
These are the 500s and I need to minus 4. These are 500s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What should I do to minus?
You should do cut
Exactly.
4.
Very good, very good. I should cut 4. Okay, I take this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I should cut it up from here up to here. So how many hundreds are left now? Only 1. 4 are cut. How many are left? Yes, how many are left? 1. 1. So I'll write 1. Okay. So the answer is now 162. If we minus 400 from 562, if we minus 400 from 562, we will get 162. This is the answer. Okay. For the last part, D. For the last part, D. We have to subtract 500 from 973, 900, so they are 900, 7 tens, so they are 7 tens, and 3 ones, so they are 3 ones. I'll take one more participant to answer it. Rafiq, can you hear me? Yes, Rafiq, can you hear me? Cannot hear me. You have to open your mic by yourself also, guys. Saud Al-Amir, can you hear me? Saud. Saud Al-Amir. Yes, yes, Saud. Please tell me. 0 out of 3. How many numbers, how many ones I need to cut here?
3.
Why 3? 0, I have to minus 0 from 3. So these are 3 ones. How many I need to cut?
0.
0. That means I will not cut anything. So what will be the answer? 3 minus 0 equals to?
3.
Very good.
3.
Yes, 3 minus 0 equals to 3.
3. 7.
Amal Abdullah. Yes, Amal Abdullah. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, Amal. He said 3 minus 0, 3. Tell me 7 minus 0. 7 tens. How many tens I need to cut? Yes, 7 minus 0 equals to?
7. No.
7 minus
0 equals 7.
7. Very good. When you minus, whenever you minus 0 from any number, you will get the same number. Okay. Now for the last, I will take one participant, one student. Abdur Rahman. Abdur Rahman, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, Abdur Rahman. Tell me, I want to subtract 5 from 9. These are 900s. What should I do?
Put 9 in your mind, 5 in your fingers.
Okay, you can do it by fingers, but what we can do, how many do I need to cut here? There are 900s and I need to minus 5, so I will cut 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are 5, I will cut 5. Now, how many are left? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is
Answer is 4.
4. So the total answer is 473. So this was only for your practice. I want to make you little practice before going ahead in this topic and before going to the book question. So I hope you understand today's lesson. Any problem, class?
Yes.
Yes.
No. No.
Do you understand?
Hello.
Yes.
Yes. Hello, sir.
Today, tomorrow, inshallah, tomorrow we will continue subtraction topic, and we will do maybe we practice one more page and then we will move to the book. Okay. Now your class time is finished. It's time to say bye bye. Bye bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.